Buenos dias, estudiantes. Today we're going to look at lesson 10-2, harder solving equations with variables on both sides. I don't know why I'm yelling, but apparently we're yelling today. So remember that the goal of equation solving is to isolate the variable, whatever that variable might be. Sometimes it'll be x, sometimes it'll be y, sometimes it could be a, b, c, d, I don't know. Who knows? All fun things. And we do that, we isolate that variable by using those inverse operations. Or maybe instead of inverse, you're thinking opposite operations. Same thing, different words. Yay, English. Okay, moving on to our solving steps. I'm just going to briefly go over these as we have talked about them before. So first, you're doing any distribution that's happening. And remember, when you're doing distribution, that's multiplication. So you're looking for those parentheses to be doing the swoopity swoops. And you're combining any like terms as long as those like terms are on the same side of the equal sign, are on the same side of the equal sign. Otherwise, if they're not all on the same side of the equal sign, you're messing things up and you need to be using inverse operations to move them over instead. You have to use inverse operations to cross over that equal sign in the middle. So after doing that, you're going to jump to step 2, which is get all the variables on the same side of the equal sign. And to avoid negatives, you can move over the smaller variable first. So if you have like a 3x and a 4x, you would want to move the 3x because that's the smaller one. After that, you're going to isolate your x term per usual, getting the piece that says, 3x or, 1/4 x, getting that piece by itself first. Then last step, isolating that variable from the 3 or the 1/4 or whatever it might be. Finally, last but not least, you're checking using your order of operations, which is that GEMS acronym. And when we're doing GEMS, we're going to be focused on going from the inside out. Working from the inside out. We're going to start with those innermost groupings and then work our way out.